So I'm working on your Gem Platinum right now. Couple things I've noticed. I haven't gotten into it yet, but I did notice, first of all, in the needle area, there's a lot of lint, falling around in there, you know, all this kind of stuff down in here. There's a lot going on up in, this area. Also up in the take-up area, let me see if I can turn this. See this take-up link here? We've got a lot of thread that's wrapped around there. I'm going to have to take this linkage all apart to get that out, because you could try to pick that stuff out for forever and you'll never get it all out. It has to be taken apart. When I got down, down in the bobbin area wasn't too bad, but underneath here you got quite a bit of lint. I just took the bottom off, so I need to get all these covers and shells off so I can, scrub all this stuff out of there and inspect the feed lifting cam. Also, the needle plate, if you look carefully here at the needle plate, the needle has struck the hole quite a few times. It's pretty banged up, but I think I can polish most of that off. We don't want to spend a lot of money putting a new plate in there. Also, the bobbin case has got some nicks and gouges and stuff in it, but I think I can polish those off without having to replace it. Do my best to not replace the bobbin case, because that's, another, I don't know what they are, 30 bucks or something like that for a new one. But I'll clean all that stuff out of there and fix it. So anyway, got my work cut out for me. But another thing too is the LED strip that you've got here needs to be mounted in such a way that the thread, it was actually in the way of the thread going from up here down into the needle. So I'm going to reroute it a little bit. So you'll still have the same light, just in a different place. And we'll get all this stuff cleaned out of there. Anyway, that's about it.